Hello guys. Um, Good evening. So I'm chatting from Nigeria. Okay, please. You're welcome to the live stream. This is my first live actually. So I just wanted to share the reasons why I started trading and kind of take you guys along this journey because it's a journey for me, and I feel like if you can join me on this journey, even if you don't want to participate, at least just checking out, it's gonna be awesome, right? So if you're just joining, I'll employ you to engage, chat, ask questions. Yeah. So ask questions. All right. So engage, chat, ask questions, and I will be ready to answer you all your questions and give you as much answers as I can. So I'd like to share my screen now. Okay. Let me open something. I'm coming. Okay. All right. So from my chat, you can see that we have the deriv. We have the deriv trading open. So those have been seeing my videos that might have asked what what I trade. I basically trade deriv. So I trade deriv. Um, Previously, I used to trade. uh, the normal of forex, which is your majors rather. You have GBP, USD, gold, and the rest, right? So I used to trade all that previously. So I used to trade that previously. If you're just joining, I'd like you to engage and ask me any questions you'd like to ask me. This um, live, okay, this live might not be long. That you don't have anybody yet available, right? But the main thing why I am trading is because I see a potential in trading, making me like have the kind of life I want to have. I have tried, I have a job. Yeah, I train AI, but I am not really satisfied with that, right? I want more. I want something better. So that is why I am trading. And I would have actually stopped trading a long time ago. I started trading 2 years ago. That's 2023. So I would have actually stopped trading since. That's because of losses. I've been like been on a losing streak, continuous losing streak. So I just decided that I can do it. I should still keep on holding on. At some point, I actually gave up on trading actually. I gave up on trading actually. And then after a few months, I came back. I tried out different things. Tried trading the major pairs, yeah, gold, GBP USD, GBP card, British pound, and Euro USD. Some profits or loss. Tried prop firms, made profit, and I blew it all. Passed some stages, blew it all. I tried option trading, particularly. I tried option trading actually, and I made profits at some point. I lost it, withdrew, lose the capital, put the profit back, lose it all. Just a cycle of losses, right? I just I tried paying for signals, paid for signals, hundreds of thousands. I always like when I check out a particular influencer or forex trader and I see that the person is doing well, check, okay, they're doing great. The month I join, they start doing poorly. I don't even know why. I just can't make the money. Like nothing. There's one I joined, is very popular. I've tried many of them, Jeffrey Benson. I've tried Samuel Tochi. You should know them if you're in Nigeria. I've tried Happy Forex, and a lot of times, all the time, I end up losing my money, right? So and also there was impatience in me on my part, and emotions. At some point, I lost my job, and all I depended on was trading. Like it was really devastating because I had not just mastered um, like trading and the psychology and the patience. So the pressure of knowing that all I have is just trading just made me like really impatient and making poor decisions. And I kept losing and losing and losing. I tried looking for patterns that work. Like nothing just seemed to be working. So that was what made me to quit at that point. I had to look for manual job, labor. I almost did it, but something came up. One AI job came up, and I was able to rescue myself from that. So sometimes it's just really crazy, actually. So where did the change actually start? The change started this year, like just few months back. It's not money, no, not even made, no, not made good money yet, but I finally started making money. So that's why I just decided to share why I started trading. I saw a beautiful picture of a wonderful life I could make for myself, and all that. So the dream keep pushing beyond, like forward and forward. And I say, okay, this year I'm gonna make this, make this and that. I decided to say next year, even though it looks like at this point in time, I have a strong feeling and believe that this have come to my breakthrough point because I've started making good profit. I stuck to trading one pattern. If I don't see that pattern, I don't trade. I've been more um patient, and I've been more, I control my emotions more compared to before. Before I was all over the place. Like I had a fear of missing out. I'm missing out. Let me take this trade. This pattern feels like it's gonna work. Like at this point, I know a lot of patterns. I know a lot of patterns. I know a lot of trained minds. I can pick out a lot of patterns from the theme ASF. I can draw candle lines, hit here, hit here, hit here. Patterns upon patterns. I know, see it hit here too. So what used to do me before is that I want to trade every pattern. I want to trade every pattern. As a result, I keep losing my money consistently. Right? I keep losing my money steadily. So I want to trade every pattern. It makes me loss. It makes me be in loss all the time. All the time, right? So I had to finally stick to one pattern, which I thank God that I've been patient enough and it has been paying off. So I call myself a regular trader. No, I call myself a regular trader. I wouldn't really call myself a swing trader or a day trader. A lot of times I prefer using my time to play games and work, train AI than just staring at the chat. So I stare at the chat way, way less. I don't trade every day. I don't trade. It's not must be every week. It all depends on if the trade gives me what I want, my pattern shows up. So I am waiting for something. I am not rushing to the market to trade anything that feels like it might work. That was what I was doing before that made me to keep losing. So I am now more patient, and I am like, how would I put it? I have more patience. I have more So I say zeal. Yeah, I have after making money. Even though making money is the key thing, but just after doing the right thing. You get, I prefer to do the right thing and fail than to do the wrong thing and fail. Doing the wrong thing and failing always have a ripple effect on me. If I trade something that is not my pattern and I lose, I become uncontrollable. I want to try to gain back my money, and as a result, I end up blowing everything and all that stuff. So I always try to do the right thing. But if I do the right thing and I lose, I accept it and I learn. Try to check, okay, what is wrong? Why did I lose? And all that stuff. I've never been this patient before. I used to be really eager to see daily trades, trade 5 times a day, all that stuff. But this time around, I'm just patient. I have a journal, very precious journal, a journal of my pattern. Every successful pattern, every pattern, like every of my pattern, not every of my pattern, it's just one pattern, but I have a journal of every, and I noted everything, all the circumstances surrounding it, all the little cues. I've taken note of it and I have implemented it. So I decided to take up a trading challenge. Challenge, if successful, which is going to be successful according to my trading journal. So my belief right now is in my trading journal. My belief is in my trading journal. I trust in my trading journal. I trust in the history of my pattern. So according to my trading journal, the journey I'm embarking on should work out if I can just be patient. So so far, working in my pattern, I've taken 2 trades and they both worked out. So why I will not call myself a why I won't call myself a swing trader is because swing traders a lot of times they wait for long for their trade to play out. Me, I wait for long to see. I can sometimes wait for long to see my trade, but then when I see my trade only takes 1 to 4 hours. Most times 1 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours. Rarely does it get up to 4 hours. If it gets up to 4 hours, that means it's giving me a much higher risk to reward. So taking 2 trades and they both worked out. So so I've hit the first two. The third milestone is gonna make me way more money, right? And I can. I'm not even. Why I knew that my mindset has changed. That is not really about the money. Is because before, when I make little $10, $20, I want to withdraw so quick. I want to withdraw my money and secure it and know that okay, I have $10, I have $20. But then now I'm not in eagerness to withdraw. I don't have the eagerness to withdraw. I just want to, like, I'm not withdrawing now. According to my rules, it's until I've taken 6 trades before I withdraw. So those 6 trades would move my balance to about $3,500, right? Then I'll withdraw $1,000 from it. I strongly believe that I'll get to that point where I'll withdraw $1,000. The maximum I've withdrawn from trading before now, before this change, has been just $30. Yeah, other ones $5, $2. Okay, not $2, because you don't have allowed $2 withdrawal. $5, $5, $10. I have made way more than I've withdrawn before, but I'm not really desiring to this point. So I don't have desire to place a withdrawal yet. I'm still waiting. I believe I'll make that video where I will say I'm making $1,000 withdrawal, and you guys are going to see it. So if you like to follow me on this journey, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be really happy to see you follow me on this journey, right? So on this journey is to be consistently profitable, and the reward for doing that, I'm going to make thousands upon thousands of dollars next year. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be amazing. So I'm just trying to be patient. I know that everything's going out well. So thank you so much, guys, for your belief in me, and also seeing, checking out my videos. I decided to create this YouTube channel to keep myself accountable. Actually, I just felt like if I have a group of persons that I'm telling, okay, this is what I'm doing, I'll be more accountable. And so far, it has worked. And I know it will keep working. So I just want to be much more serious in posting videos and holding live streams and all that. So I think I'll do more of live streams often. Then I'll post videos only when I see my pattern. That might change, I don't know. So I'll be ending the live stream now. I just wanted to see how the live stream looks like, and though nobody joined, but at least I was able to see how the live stream looks like. So if you watch this video later, you can still comment. I would always check it out. So thank you so much. Quality day for now. Bye.